Hello there, I'm Sam with Joe. Say hello, Joe.
Hey,
Alright, so today we're going to show you some basic of HTML. Since you're just a beginner, you don't really want to host a website since it's going to be a waste of money for you. So we're going to show you how to use HTML without like building a website or anything. First of all, just go right click and create a new notepad. Now open that notepad and write the following things, okay? Always surrounds your tags with angle brackets. So HTML surrounded with tags, surrounded with angle brackets. Body with the same thing. Body is going to be the whole web page. It's going to be like the whole web page. So everything you write between the tag body will be on your whole web page.
now
Basically.
actually you can also write head, which is going to be basically the title or the top of your web page on top of body.
Yeah. What I mean by between the tags is every time you write a tag, you always close it with a slash, like this, slash body, and then slash HTML, with angled brackets between, surrounding them always. Never forget. Alright, so, for the basics, you will want to write things, such as a paragraph. So, for doing that, you'll write P, surrounded by angle brackets, then type, hello, my name is Bob. Alright, so Bob is not really my name is Sam, as you might have noticed at the beginning of the video. But anyway, always close it with a slash and then the tag, the beginning tag, and then save it as, give it whatever name you want. I'm gonna name it basic.html.
You can also name it .htm if HTML is too long for you, but it comes back to exactly the same thing. There's no difference between the two.
Yeah. And when you open that, oh, and just quick notice, you'll see that the icon for my file will be Google Chrome. That's because Google Chrome is my default browser. If your default browser is Internet Explorer, it's gonna be Internet Explorer default. The icon will be Internet Explorer. Same thing with Mozilla Firefox and any other internet browser that I might have forgotten about. But anyway, now you can see that it worked. Now take note, this isn't a website. It's just a file inside your computer, as you can see right there on the URL bar. Anyway, now since your code aren't there, because you I'm gonna close this one to show you. Since your codes aren't there, since you saved it as a new file, your codes are gonna be in that file. In order to access them, you're gonna open with and then Notepad, and there you go. All your codes are there. Now, if you want to do a heading to your text, just go here and type H6 to H1. H6 would be the smallest, and H1 would be the biggest. I'm gonna go with H3 in this case.
The other thing with the different size of headings is that H3 and H6 and H1, whatever you choose, is going to be different as far as where the browser sees it as importance. H1 is going to be the most important, H2 second, H3, etc, etc, etc. And it's also good to note not to use H whatever to make different sizes, because or else when search engines are going to find your page, it's going to think that whatever you're putting as bigger is going to be the title of your page, which is not the case.
Yeah. So, and always close it with the beginning tag. Well, slash and then the beginning tag, okay? And then don't save it as, just types, just press on save and then open it again. And then you go, and there you go, you got your very own heading. Now don't close this file, and I'm gonna show you how to bold the text. Just go like this, angle bracket B for bold, and close it with slash B, like I told you before. Now just refresh your page, and there you go, it's now in bold. Now if you want to do the same thing with Italic, just go like this, I, then here, angle brackets, slash I to close it. Save it, refresh your page, hold on, okay, refresh your page, and there you go. It's Italic.
Now, it's also important to note that B is for bold, I is for italic, but you can also use strong and emphasis, or EM, which basically, most of the time in most major browsers is going to render as the same thing, but in some browsers it might render as a different thing. But once again, it depends. It's important for search engines and whatnot to put in the right tags.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you what Joe just said. You can always go strong here and strong here. Save it, and you will see that it did not change anything. It's really the same thing. It's really depending on the browser you're using, like Joe said. Alright, we're gonna end this here. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm Sam with Joe. Have a good day.